Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple way to keep everyone in the house organized, setting up the family calendar feature on your Mango display can make a big difference. The Mango display allows schedules, reminders, and upcoming events to be shared in one convenient place so that family members can easily stay informed. Proper setup ensures that calendar information stays synchronized and visible throughout the day. Fortunately, getting everything configured doesn't take very long. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that can help you successfully set up the family calendar on your Mango display. Try these. Step 1. Connect the Mango display to a reliable Wi-Fi network before starting the setup process. Step 2. Open the settings section available on the Mango display and locate the calendar options. Step 3. Sign in to the preferred account that the Mango display will use for synchronization. Step 4. Choose the calendars you want the Mango display to display for the family. Step 5. Allow the Mango display to complete the synchronization process and load upcoming events. Step 6. Confirm that appointments and reminders are appearing correctly on the Mango display family calendar screen.